I thought the rains might deter the audience here, but you proved it wrong. As in Google, we call it thrive in ambiguity. So you actually thrived in ambiguity like rains and have the presence here. So today, I'm going to talk to you about, not about what Google Cloud does, because it's not a stranger, but I'm going to talk to you about how we are empowering the GCC success, leveraging Google Cloud teams and technologies. So as you see, there are three particular pillars that Google Cloud is partnering with the GCC community. First and foremost, we are actually helping you innovate from India, innovate for the world, and that is the prime theme of all the GCC companies. What I mean by that is giving you access to the right Google Cloud tools and technologies. Teams in India, just like you, Google Cloud also has been growing in India, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and now Pune being one of the fastest growing regions for us in Google Cloud. Second area, drive success with domestic partnerships. I heard the learned panelists talking about how they want to drive the innovation agenda, partnering with the Indian tech community, right? And a lot of fintechs and tech partnerships, startups work with Google Cloud. So that is what we are trying to see, how we can get those partnerships closer to the GCC enterprises and customer to help you innovate better with Google Cloud domestic partnerships. Third pillar, somebody said 1.5 million, how much will it grow? But it's actually growing exponentially year on year. So Google Cloud is investing regularly to help the GCC community enable and learn with customized, tailored learning programs, persona-based for your success. Before I give you an overview of those niche tools and technologies that the GCC community can leverage for your success, let me tell you about what is actually our mission. You know, it's very simple, accelerate every organization's ability to digitally transform its business. It's so simple, yet so impactful. Yes, so Google Cloud is actually an enterprise software division of the Google Alphabet umbrella. We actually have developed, or we offer the technology services that Google has built for its own services like search, YouTube, photos. So we get the same technology and the global infrastructure offered to you as enterprises for you to drive success similar to what Google does for its products, right? At the bottom, there is the infrastructure, but what we have done is built a set of legacy AI tools on top of it to give you services in 5 categories. Right? First is foremost the infrastructure, so that you help modernize your core platforms. Secondly is developer platforms, so that you are able to build cloud-native applications. Third is data and analytics platforms, so that you are able to store, analyze, and have actionable insights faster with Google Cloud Data Analytics Platform. Fourth, we give you security tools, so that you are able to safeguard and secure your own data, your user data, your systems and platforms. Finally, we give you collaboration tools, which helps you collaborate and communicate better with the team, similar to what Google we do internally. I'm sure we all have heard the AI race that has kickstarted in the past few years, but just to give you a glimpse, Google has been innovating and doing a lot of research for more than a decade in the AI space. And if you see here, sorry. Yeah, so 2015, we introduced something called TensorFlow. I'm sure it is not new to the lot of tech community here. It is one of the most famous open source AI ML library, which a lot of developers and architects use to build AI ML applications. And we kept innovating every year. 2017, we introduced transformers, one of the most powerful LLM models, which I'm sure most of you don't know, that most of the AI companies today that you talk about leverage this technology, transformers. And today, when we are in the 2023-24 era, we are talking about something that we have built called Gemini, one of the most scalable and performance multimodal LLM model available in the industry today. So I just gave you a glimpse of what our vision is, our prowess and experience in the AI industry, but what we are trying to do is actually help you unify data and AI as well. Most of the times, we skip this fact that AI is enough for you to drive success, But if you're not able to unify your business data and AI, you're not able to drive the largest success. So that is what Google Cloud is also doing in building solutions and partnering with you on how do we unify your business data with AI to help you drive larger success. For example, everyone have access to all the basic LLM tools, but what will differentiate you is if you actually integrate with your business enterprise data ground up so that you can create differentiators for you in the market. Can we play a video, please, and then I'll talk to you.
Okay, let's do some tests. Tell me when you see something that makes sound.
I see a speaker, which makes sound.
What is that part of the speaker called?
That is the tweeter. It produces high-frequency sounds.
Give me a creative alliteration about these.
Creative crayons color cheerfully. They certainly craft colorful creations.
What does that part of the code do?
This code defines encryption and decryption functions. It seems to use AES-CBC encryption to encode and decode data based on a key and an initialization vector, IV.
That's right. What neighborhood do you think I'm in?
This appears to be the King's Cross area of London. It is known for its railway station and transportation connections.
Do you remember where you saw my glasses?
Yes, I do. Your glasses were on the desk near a red apple.
What can I add here to make this system faster?
Adding a cache between the server and database could improve speed.
What does this remind you of?
Schrodinger's cat.
All right, give me a band name for this duo.
Golden Stripes.
Nice. Thanks, Gemini.
Amazing, right? And this is what we call art of possible in Google. And actually, you won't believe this video was taken in single shot without any retakes in real time, right? And why I'm showing this video is, this is how we are digitally transforming our experience for the users. And you can take learnings from this and put it back to your enterprises for your own consumers. And I would want to just showcase to you some technologies which can be leveraged by the GCC community to drive similar digital transformation efforts. Right? So we actually provide our AI solution framework in 4 blocks specifically. The foundation being the robust Google Cloud infrastructure. Without the right foundation, you cannot build up strongly. So we offer you the class of the best of class of GPUs for parallel processing and tensor processing units, which is the indigenous hardware for Google, which we have built and developed most of our applications on. So we give you access to both the variants of infrastructure for you to pick and choose and drive success with AI infrastructure. Secondly, Vertex AI, one of the most complete and scalable AI platform in the industry today. Why I say that is because it not only gives you access to most of the AI models, in fact 130 plus AI models, which can be Google's own Gemini or other models and open source Anthropic, Llama, Meta models, but it helps you actually build on top of that, modify the models based on your business requirements and demands, and then wrap it up with an AI agent, which will make your life easier. So giving you access to models, helping you customize it, and building AI agents, that's why we call this platform the complete platform. And the third block is Gemini. As I just alluded in my past slide, one of the most powerful, scalable model, which can handle almost more than an hour of video in one go, or 11 hours of audio, or even 30,000 lines of code. So that is the kind of power this LLM model is, which is available for the enterprises like you to use. We offer it in the cloud fraternity and as well as for our workspace users like Gmail, Meet users. So our AI story won't be complete if you are not integrating with the AI ecosystem. That's what we call. So because you all work on different industries, you have the right infrastructure, platform, the LLM, but what is missing is the integration with the AI ecosystem. That's what we are trying to complete here, so that we give integration with all the tech and the ISV partners who are working in this piece, so that not only you get benefited by them, they also get benefited by the robust Google Cloud technology infrastructure. And as I alluded, that we are constantly working towards unifying the data and AI experience, because if you're not integrating your business data with AI, your AI story is not complete. So we are actually developing our AI technologies in our data products as well. I'm sure you all have heard about BigQuery, one of the most powerful and scalable data warehouse solutions. So we are introducing Gemini LLM into that. So what it means is your data scientists, let it be, data scientists, architects, anyone in their entire life cycle of their work, from developing pipelines, building pipelines, automating pipelines, they can actually put forward the AI to use to ease their work and drive net new innovations for the organization. And story would not be complete if we don't address the developer community, because that contributes most of the GCC community in India, and it is on top of every GCC leader's mind on how do I make the developers of my team more productive. And that's what we have introduced a tool called Gemini Code Assist. By the name itself, you will see that it assists in code development and generation, but it doesn't stop there. It also helps you analyze, visualize, troubleshoot, and operate for various personas in the developer SDLC lifecycle management. So having just given you a glimpse of the various AI technologies that we are building, a very high-level overview, how we are trying to unify the data and help the developer productivity, I'll give you a glimpse of some of the customers who have taken leap steps in leveraging this technology to create a differentiator in the industry. So if you see, we've chosen customers from different industries. So what it means is our AI solutions are actually resonating with various industries, not specific to one industry. For example, Iron Mountain, who's not a stranger, they are servicing more than 95% of Fortune 1000 companies. They have leveraged the Google Cloud OCR and natural language processing technology to automate their document processing, which has helped them create more revenue and also transform digitally their businesses. eBay is leveraging Google AI assistant technologies to transform their customer experience, their agent experience. Rolls-Royce, a big name in the manufacturing industry, they are actually creating autonomous vessels, if you're not aware. And what they are trying to do is partner with Google Cloud technology so that in the sea, their autonomous vessels can actually identify and track the objects which might be a hindrance to those autonomous vessels to have a better runway. And this, because it's a Google Cloud leverage technology, they can actually train the models for various seas and regions across the globe to make the best success for these autonomous vessels. Last but not the least, HSBC, big name in the banking industry, they are leveraging the Google Cloud AI solution to help in their trade and risk management operations. So we spoke about how we are actually helping you with the right technology and tools for GCC success. We also touched upon briefly on our partnerships and some customers who are already using it. This is my last slide to end and let you know that Google is actually learning from you and trying to see how we can help your teams be more productive and learned. And that's why if you see, we are constantly evolving on our learning and training path. We work with the partners as well to offer you not only persona-based, it can be a data architect, an AI engineer, or infra architect, or also building learning curriculums for different stages of business, beginner, intermediate, or expert. So feel free to leverage any of the specific trainings from Google Cloud so that no matter which journey of Google Cloud learning you are, which proficiency you want to develop, we have something for everyone to drive productivity for you. So with that, this is the end of my presentation. I'll take a moment to thank you all, the GCC community, for two aspects. One is actually helping create growth for Indian Academy and GDP, which somebody said in the early presentations. Secondly, showcase the tech prowess that we have and how we can innovate from India for the globe, leveraging Google Cloud technologies. Thank you.